In today's video, I would show you how to find your competitors. Now, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the subscribe button, hit the share button so that this video would gain a lot of traction and it will favor the algorithm. Okay, let's get started on how to find your competitors. Now, the first way to find your competitors is to type in your URL on Google, on SEMrush. You'll be able to get tangible results if you've started to rank for a couple of keywords. There's every tendency that, okay, maybe your website is a new website and you've not gained a couple of maybe traffic, or you've not gained rankings yet, so this method would not work for you. But for those whose websites have started to rank and have started to get some traffic, this is the best method that you can use to track who your competitors are. So yeah, like I said, first of all, type in your website URL in the domain overview. Type in your website URL, then click on, okay, let's just go over the entire process. Come to domain overview. Yeah, you can see this website at domain overview. Then you can click on organic search traffic. Organic search traffic will take you to, yeah, it will give you an overview of the keywords, the search volume, the traffic, the position. Okay, then you come here, click on competitors. Yeah, as you can see these are all your competitors. Oh, sorry. These are all your competitors. We have a lot of them. Is because this is a free tool. That is why it didn't display everything. Yeah, so this is it. These are your competitors. So if you I showed you in my previous video how to filter out the keywords that your competitors are ranking for, so you can go back to that. Okay, let's say for example your website is just beginning to rank. You don't have access to this feature. Now the first thing you will do is to, okay, maybe you are looking, the first thing you will do is to, okay, come here. Let's say you are looking to rank for a keyword called nails. So just call on nails design, click on nails design. Yeah, so you can use, okay, this one is a stock. Allure is a fashion blog, so this can be your competitor. Elegant wedding invite can be your competitor. Yeah, so if you want to track who your competitors are, type in the keywords you want to rank on. You see a couple of websites pop out on Google search results. Take this website, follow my procedure on how to do competitors with competitors analysis, then filter out their keywords and ensure that you filter keywords that you know that your website can easily rank for. Yeah, that's the end goal of everything. You don't want to write keywords that you won't be able to rank for. That is not the purpose. The main purpose of targeting these keywords is because, okay, this is a new website, you want to rank for these keywords. And I strongly recommend that if your website is new, you should target keyword between the AskKD between 0 to 10, because these are keywords that you can easily rank for. And give yourself time. Be patient enough to get tangible results, because I've seen a couple of newbies chat me up, I've been writing, I've invested so much time, I'm not seeing results, what should I do? Be patient. That's the only thing I can tell you, especially if you are doing the right thing. You have to be patient. If your on-page SEO measures are correct, if you don't have technical SEO issues, if your off-page SEO issues is intact, you are following the right procedure, you have to be patient. SEO takes patience, especially for new websites. Just give yourself a period of 3 to 6 months for you to start getting tangible results. Yeah, please do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to share this video so that I'll be able to gain tractions. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.